Oh boy, what's going on, guys? We're going to talk about XRP and XYO. And yes, you still have time for both of these cryptos, even though they have ran significantly, right? So we're going to dive into XRP first. We're going to talk about Fibonacci, RSI, stochastic, everything that's going on. And then we're going to talk about XYO. And you definitely want to see XYO. Really quick, I'll just show you XYO real quick. It's at 1964, actually. So you see this massive green candle. I made some updates November 22nd, XYO added more at 0.0075. Also on October 20th, I said current price was 0.00611. I added to my position of this crypto just now, talked about the market cap, the circulating supply, kind of what I think is going to happen next. This morning, it was at 127. Obviously, I was sharing this with the Patreon now. It's up significantly. So it's almost at 2 pennies right now. Pretty amazing, guys. So if you're not part of the Patreon, don't forget. Right now, I'm offering. Actually, that one is over. It's this one right here. It is Cyber Monday. It's 30% off, 4 tiers. So you can pay for the monthly or the yearly. This ends tonight at midnight. You get access to everything for 30% off. So check out the links out down below if you're interested. And don't forget to type in cyber, okay, in the before you pay, and then you'll get 30% off. So pretty amazing stuff. And XRP has been amazing too. Right? It's trading at $2.77 right now. The Discord is on fire. People are making a ton of money, and it's exciting, right? And the first thing I want you all to notice is XRP has done a full Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so if we look at this, and I study this every single day, and it's how I've called a lot of cryptos, I would say, is by understanding this and understanding the stochastic and the RSI. So I take a fib from this high point to the low, and the low is about 38 cents. Okay, and then we just go all the way. You can see we rejected this area, the 50. We topped out, we pulled back. We go up. You see we wicked all the way to the 1.618 level, and we rejected. We have a wick, so we rejected a little bit, but we kept going, and we kept going, and we just broke through all these fib levels. But now we're at the 4.236 level. So this has done a full Fibonacci retracement. This is what Dogecoin did also. And now Dogecoin is experiencing some resistance and is pulling back, as I'm sure you all are aware of if you hold Dogecoin. And this is where we took some profit. So we were alerting, obviously, the Discord. I was taking little bits of XRP off the table right in this area, in between the 3.618 level and the 4. Okay. And happy with it. Do what's best for you. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell XRP. I'm just kind of sharing what I'm doing, my perspective on things. So what's the next level that could happen for XRP? Well, we do have the 1.618 level right here, which is right at $3. So can that happen? Absolutely. We could also wick up here and pull back. So just be aware of that. Okay, you see all these wicks, these big moves that XRP does, it tends to top out for a couple weeks and then it falls over. So is that going to happen again? Possibly, but I'm going to show you the 3-month chart in a minute, and I'm going to show you why I think XRP does have a very bright future. Okay, so looking at a full Fibonacci retracement from this high point would get us all the way to about $7.47. Okay, now if we go over here, and this is the all-time high. So this was $3.54, and we took a Fibonacci from that point, brought it all the way to the low, which you can see right here, which is about 10 cents for XRP. Absolutely amazing if anyone bought in at 10 cents. I think the cheapest XRP I ever got was for 17 cents. And that was a long time ago. That was like in 2018. So a full Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high, okay, all the way to the top would be about $14. So these are the areas that I'm looking for. Right now, we've done a full Fibonacci retracement from this high, okay? And if you'll see, we're right at the 786 level off of this. We've never been this high before, well, except for this point. So this Fibonacci zones right here is something you want to be looking for very closely. We're literally at the 786 level right now. So if we can break above this, then potentially we can move much higher to about the 1.618 level, which would be $5.66. And guys, let me just tell you, let me put a line right here. Let's say this happens, okay? This would also be in line with this trend line right here that I drew. So let's say we go all the way up here. let's say it happens, this is a weekly time frame. It could literally happen this week. Today's Monday, and we're having this green candle. So we can go all the way up here, and this could be a point where XRP potentially tops out short term, but this has always been a target of mine, the 1.618 level. Okay, maybe we extend a little more and we get to the 3.618 level right here, which would get us to about 650. So about 550 to 650 is probably the next time I'll be selling heavier. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. That was some free information for you that are just subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. But then what gets me really excited is the 3-month chart for XRP. Because you can see right here, the 3-month chart, we have a RSI that's at 78, which is pretty overbought, but it's gotten way higher before. We've got as high as 95. Okay, this is really zooming out. We have a stochastic cross. We're not even that high yet, like we were before when we sold off. So there's a very green candle, which is nice. But again, I'm following this upwards channel right here. So this would really be my next target, about 550 to about 650. So about $5 to $7, I would say, can definitely happen for XRP. So now you just want to understand, well, if we're at 277, how much return is that? That's about a double from where we're at right now, maybe a triple, okay? Because we ran up significantly. If you were part of my group and you're part of the Discord and you're, paying $10, $15 a month, whatever it is, you've made your money back plus a lot more. I mean, there's people putting messages in the Discord that they made 50 grand, 15 grand, 20 grand. I'm getting messages on my Patreon of people like making life-changing money because they're learning everything that I teach, and it's absolutely amazing. People are going to be very blessed going into 2025, and they're going to have an amazing Christmas. So, of course, I appreciate all the members, and it's just a fun community and an awesome chat to be a part of every single day. So now as we end today's video, I want to look at XYO, because XYO is also another coin that I do like, and it's actually gotten a lot of growth. My average is like 0.007 and some change, like right here, because I ended up buying under a penny a while ago, and then I bought even heavier at 0.0075, which I showed you in the beginning of this video. But it's up there, and again, we're kind of going to this trend. So I'm really looking for, I see some resistance right here, these wicks. So we got about 2.5 pennies all the way up to maybe 2.6. Okay. We also have a trend line right here that we want to be watching out for. So we could definitely pull back. This is still very high risk, so you want to be aware of that. I think it's at a $260 million market cap now. I first showed you guys this when it was under 100 million. Okay. There was someone that left a comment in one of my videos, and he said I should look into XYO, and I did, and I liked it. I liked the tokenomics. I liked how the chart setup looked, and I shared it with all of you, right? So if you listened when I was making XYO videos, I have about 4 of them on YouTube. You should be up significantly right now if you took some action, okay? So right here, we obviously ran up. We talked about the positive divergence that was forming on a weekly and daily time frame, or I'm sorry, yeah, positive bullish divergence right here. And that was the initial move. And then we bought in even more all over here, and then it ran up. So the other thing you want to be watching is the Keltner lines. The yellow lines right here. I can even adjust this real quick. Let me show you guys real quick. So if I put this as a 5, or let's actually make it even lower, because XYO tends to, I mean, you can make it a 1. A 1 is pretty good. Probably a 2. So this kind of tells you when to sell, right? When to start taking profit. When we start to touch the yellow Keltner lines like this, let me zoom in for you. Okay, so you see like right here, we touch the yellow Keltner line and then it just sells off. Very risky crypto, guys. Touches right here. We had 2 touch points, 3. This is every week. So this is like 3 weeks. This is like a month that you had to take profits. This was 1 touch point, and now we're on the 2nd touch point right now. So XYO probably will experience some type of dip. So you could take profit if you want. I mean, you're up. If you bought in when we bought in, you're up, I think, over 150% right now. But this is giving me like AO's vibes, even XLM vibes. When I was telling you all about it, it was under $4 billion market cap, and XLM was at like 11 cents, and then it ran all the way up to 60 cents, and we made a bunch of money with that crypto. This is kind of giving me the same vibe. So I'm not selling any right now. I may sell some up here at like 2.5 cents, but I don't know. Like, I don't, the question is like, if I sold, where would I put that money? I think this is very undervalued still with the market cap. So I think potentially this can get up to 6 cents. This would be a full Fibonacci retracement from this high point. And this is literally what XRP just did, right? It had the second high point, pulled it down, and it did a full Fibonacci retracement. So with this low of a market cap and the money that I actually have invested into this crypto, I might just leave it in here, right? Now, seen some negative divergence forming where let's say this runs up and then we pull back and the RSI pulls back and then we make a lower high on the RSI and make a higher high, then I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it all. I'm not going to fall in love with any cryptos. I recommend you guys do more research on this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but congrats. Congrats to everyone that has been winning massively with the cryptos we talk about. I'm going to be doing this every day, guys. I love talking about this stuff. And I'm excited. We'll see what happens in 2025. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day. Take advantage of the deals. They will end today. I also have a trading video. It's 3 videos for $37. If you want to just sit in your office, today, tonight, you can watch those videos about 20 minutes each. That's going to teach you exactly how to set up your charts, how to buy, when to sell, and everything I talk about. So that's going to help you just get a head start for next year. So with that, have a great one, guys. We'll see you on